Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a template in the Evernote app. So you must be thinking, where should I create the template, because there are no available options. So let me show you how to do it. Just launch the app Evernote, let it load. Here you can see the basic user interface in which you will be loaded. Now what you need to do is click on this plus new option. Now after clicking on this plus new option, here are several options like camera, sketch, attach audio, note and task. Now to create a template you have to click on the note. Okay, after clicking on the template, uh, here you can see the page appeared. Now here you can see to-do list, reading list, daily reflection, idea note, monthly goals. So you just have to click on this more option. Now here are several templates which are available in the free app. You can click on anyone. Like I want to create a weekly planner, I will just click on the weekly planner, and after that, okay, I have to cross this. Now it will show me the option of weekly planner. I just need to click on this and it will ask use this template. Okay, use this template. Now here is your template which has been created newly. Now you can put your things in this template whenever you want, and you can create other templates also like this. But if you want to improve or make a new one, you need to upgrade your premium membership. Okay, so this was it for this tutorial. It was lovely to have you. This is how you create a template in the Evernote app. I will see you in the next one.